Hello. So you might have already guessed this, but just in case, we love canned food. And we're not the only ones. More and more people are reaching for canned food to make delicious and nutritious, cost-effective meals. Here's why. It's all down to the canning process. Food is prepped, then it goes in. The can is sealed, then cooked. That's it. The cooking process plus the airtight barrier of the seal keeps the contents good to eat. Most canned food doesn't need or include any preservatives. It's just the food in the can and nothing else to worry about. The majority of nutrients, things like calcium, minerals, fibre and protein, are unaffected by the canning process and stay locked in. Canned food can keep for up to 5 years, so you shouldn't miss any use-by dates, helping to reduce food waste. Most cans are fully and indefinitely recyclable. Once a can's been used, it can be remade into all sorts of things, from a bike to even a car, or into another can which is back on the supermarket shelf within 8 weeks. This helps to reduce pollution. What's more, independent research has shown that buying canned food could save you over £200 a year on your weekly shop, saving you money while still allowing you to create hundreds of dishes for all the family to enjoy. See, there's so much to love about canned food. Why not try it for yourself? For more information, visit lovecannedfood.com.